The most difficult question in choosing a career is where should I work? Because there are so many options available and we don't know which particular area of work is good for me. Namaste and welcome to Career Guidance with Satish Mode once again. Today I am going to talk about areas of work. Most of the people who give guidance on career, they focus on skills. That if you have this skill, this job is suitable for you. They organize so many questionnaires and they say that okay, this particular type of skill if you develop, if you have good communication skill, you should go into this kind of jobs. If you have good technical skills, you can go in this kind of jobs. These skills are all right, but exactly where you want to work is most important. For example, I can be a doctor. There are many options available with me that how I make my career. One could be that I work in a village and help poor villagers, making the whole village healthy. Maybe I will not be able to earn much, but definitely I will satisfy my urge to service the society. Or I can be a doctor. I go for specializations and I become a heart surgeon or I become a neurosurgeon. I could go into any specialization. But then what happens? I cannot go to a village and practice because such kind of specialization and such kind of hospitals will not be there even at the district center. So once I have done acquired this kind of skills, then my career choices are limited to working in big cities where these super specialization hospitals are there, or I can opt for government service and work there. So just being a doctor and what kind of skills you have limits your choice that where you want to work. If I give another examples, say if I am an engineer, by the way, you know that, I have talked about it earlier. So if I am an engineer and if I am an electronics engineer, then my jobs are limited to designing circuits or working in servicing areas or working in production units. But if I say that I want to remain in the city, then there may not be big units available where I can work as an engineer. I may have to go to smaller towns or industry areas where such kind of electronic design and assembly work will be there. But if I say I specialize in aviation, then my chances are further limited. I can only work in airlines or aviation related activities or at airport. So when I start looking at where I want to work, that decides the way I am going to live next 25-30 years. So this is the most important question when you want to decide your career, that where you want to work, what kind of work you should do, which will satisfy you. Now many people say that you should look within and find out based on your intuition that what kind of area of work will satisfy. But that is easier said than done, because intuition at a younger age only operates on the basis of what you have seen, what you have heard, what your friends are doing, what your relatives are doing, or what successful people are doing. So your intuition will say that okay, I want to make money and I want to become like this person or that person. But the real intuition is honed when you have certain skills and you have done certain things repeatedly and you have become expert. At that time your intuition works fine, and then it will tell you that where you will use your skills which you have acquired. So just basing your decision on your intuition may not help you much, or you may rely on intuition of some advisors, but they will not know what exactly you want to do. Other day I was going through a report, a research which was done in somewhere around 98-99, and they wanted to find out the efficacy of this various career guidance questionnaire and support which people provide in educational institutions, that this is what you should do. You will be surprised to know that all the results which came out of this career guidance report, the reliability of those reports, that is what the career guidance people suggested, and after 10, 15, 20 years where students were working, the reliability of that report was only 0.4%, 0.4, that is 54%. And that is as good as a guesswork, tossing of a coin. So then what was the use of this career guidance report if that was right only 54%? And that is the highest one. Many other tests were failing at 39%, and I found some of the career guidance suggestions were actually true 10%. So then how much you should believe in career guidance report? And now you will say that what I am doing is also a career guidance report. But here I am not saying that you acquire this skill and that skill and you go, you become a doctor, or your intuition or your the character, your personality is such and you acquire such skills. No, I am not saying that. In this first video, which is in English about my Karma Kundali, which I talked about earlier, what I am trying to say is that look within, look around you and find out which area of work attracts you. Now, when I say area of work, I am not talking about being in industry, being in village, or setting could be anything. What I am saying that based on Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic guna composition, one of the guna is dominant in you, which you will find out from your RST personality report, which if you have given the test on satishmore.com, you will know that which of the gunas are more dominant in you. And based on that, in Hindi videos, I have classified areas of work based on the work performance, work result, and society's contribution which you want to do. So these are the areas of work broadly. That if you are performance oriented person, then you should go into a job, you should go into a career where performance is rewarded, where performance is noticed, and where you feel very happy performing your job. So what are those areas? Say if you are a computer programmer, what matters is your performance, because if you make some mistakes here and then writing the codes, you may have to spend months together, or many people may have to spend months together to find out what mistakes you have made. So performance oriented area, maybe a doctor, if you want to be a very good surgeon, you want to do surgery perfectly, so you want all the facilities around you so that your performance improves. If you are a civil engineer, you want to be in an area where you can really implement the vision of the architect completely, and you want those buildings to be counted upon as one of the best creations. So if you are performance oriented, then choose the area of work wherever, whatever is the setting, whatever is the backdrop, choose the area of work where performance is rewarded. Whereas if you think that you believe in the results, and if you believe that everything is fair in love and war, because what you want is finally the result, if that is the kind of attitude you have, again which you will know from the RST personality report, then you should go into result oriented areas of work. One is politics, obviously you want to win and you want to govern the country and want to contribute towards the betterment and welfare of the people purely based on the decisions which you make and you deliver results. Today, lakhs of crores of rupees are being spent in building highways. You want to be part of that. You want to see the results with your own eyes, that what you have contributed. That is Rajasic area of work. And finally, the Sattvic area of work, which I gave right in the beginning, that if you are a doctor and you want to contribute to the society, and you will feel very happy whether you are getting good, you are able to perform with your full ability, or there are constraints, or whether you are getting very good results out of what medicines you are prescribing or what you are doing. That is not the concern. given the constraints, given whatever is available to you, you want to serve the society. So if you really look at these three kinds of work, three areas of work, performance oriented, result oriented, and society oriented, and then you start identifying where you should actually work, that will give you some idea about what course your career should take. I think in this first video of your career guidance in English, the summary of the earlier uh, 12 videos which I have made in Hindi, I would like to tell you very clearly that you should find out first from within you or with the help of others that which area of work you enjoy. And if people are not able to tell you, I would request you to go on the website www.satishmod.com. There are 30 questions. You give the test. You will receive an email with your Rajasic, Sattvic, Tamasic score. And then if you want to understand what exactly that means, you can buy the RST personality report, which will tell you what kind of dominant gunas you have. You can buy your career guidance report, which will tell you whether Sattvic area of work is suitable for you, or Rajasic area of work, or Tamasic area of work. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and next 3-4 videos I am going to summarize the Hindi videos which I have given earlier about your work orientation. Namaste.